Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Lulu, and please make sure to subscribe. So today's video, I'm doing a what I got for Christmas. I am so excited. I literally got so many things that I just love. Like, everybody who got me a gift just knows me so well. By the way, I'm not trying to brag at all. I just think it'd be really fun to show you guys everything I got, because I love watching what I got for Christmas videos. Like, I literally will just spend the rest of Christmas break just like sitting there watching what I got for Christmas videos. I got stuff from my parents, from my family, from my friends, from Petite and Pretty, the brand, amazing makeup brand, and from Santa. So yeah, I will show you guys everything I got. So the first thing I got was a full-length mirror. I am so excited. I've been wanting a full-length mirror for so long, you guys. I don't know if you guys have watched Sydney Serena's moving into my apartment vlog that she posted about a year ago, but she had the cutest full-length mirror. It basically had just like a wood frame, and it was really simple, and she got it from Urban Outfitters. So I went on there like the same day because I was just in love with it, and I found out that they had a white version of it. I feel like that just matches with my whole room like theme way better, and I just think it is so cute. So I've literally wanted that for like an entire year, you guys, and I finally got it. I'm so excited. I will show you guys like a picture of what it looks like right now. But I am so excited. Like, it's literally so cute, and I have like a space photographer already. I already have like where it's gonna go picked out. So this is my mirror, guys. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to open it. It is so big. I did not expect it to be this big. So I am just so thankful. Thank you to my parents. That was like my biggest gift that I got. So I'm so excited for that. The next thing that I got was from my parents, and it is a tan Brandy Melville willow shearling jacket. If you guys have been watching me for a while, you know that I have been wanting this for so long. I just like punched my face in the face. Instant replay, play that back. So long. Anyways, this is such a cute jacket. I will show like a try on of what it looks like right now. But I have just been wanting this for so long, you guys. I wore it to Christmas with my outfit because I could not wait. I literally opened it right away and just like put it on. I love this jacket so much. It's like tan and really cute and literally so soft. It's like a Sherpa jacket. So I love this. I already have the willow shearling in pink, which is kind of funny that I got like the pink before the tan because I feel like everyone has the tan, but I thought the pink was just super unique and super cute. So I already have that, and I just love it. So my parents decided to get me the tan one too. And then I also got these blue Tilden pants from Brandy Melville. So cute. They're like blue plaid. Literally, I'm in love with these guys. They fit so cute. I am in love with these pants. They look so pretty. And also, they're like surprisingly really like soft and like cozy. They're kind of like a flannel material. So I really love these. And then my parents also got me the Brandy Melville Star chain belt. I got the heart belt from them for my birthday, and I've just been obsessed with it. I think it's so cute. So they got me the star belt, which I don't even know if they sell it anymore, but I feel like I told my mom a long time ago, like, please get me this for Christmas. Like, it is so cute. So it just looks like this. I have been wearing my heart one like nonstop, and I just love it. So this one is just so, I'm just so excited. It's so cute. And I originally saw it when I visited LA, and they had it like in the window, and I was just like so obsessed with it. And it even came in like a little drawstring bag, which I like used to put my jewelry when I'll go on vacation, because I have ordered from Brandy before, and they give you these little bags, which are so handy and so cute. I've also used these to like give gifts in them, so I always reuse these bags. Like if I'm giving my friend like a gift card, you can just use this, and it makes it look so cute and festive. But I just love this star belt. So cute. The last piece of clothing that I got was this pink butterfly shirt from Brandy. I didn't know that they sold this, and then I saw it, and I just thought it was so cute. So I originally saw this on Kenna Marie on her room tour video, I think, and I just thought it was so cute on her, and it's like a pink butterfly. So that just makes it like 10 times better. I love the color blush, and I just think that it is so cute because I'm obsessed with everything that's like butterflies. As you guys can tell, that is my intro. I have a butterfly flying by. I just love this, and it fits so cute, and it's actually like full length. Most things at Brandy are kind of cropped. So I was just really excited because this is full length and I don't have to match it with high-waisted jeans. So that's really cute. Okay, the next thing is so funny. So we don't do this every year, but sometimes my dad will surprise us with like me and my sister with like a random funny gift. So a while back we got like this mini helicopter, but it was kind of cheap, but I just loved it and it was like so much fun. I don't know why, we just like fly it around. It was so fun. But that ended up breaking, so he got us a mini drone. Oh my gosh, like look how tiny that is. So I just cannot wait to fly this. It is so cute. And I just love this. So thank you so much to my dad. This is literally one of my favorite gifts, if it's not like my favorite gift that I received all year. And then my parents also got me a rose quartz face roller from Sephora. I don't really know what these face rollers do, but I've just been super interested in them, so I will definitely give you guys a review on this. I've heard that rose quartz is a really good crystal to have, and so this is cute because it's all rose quartz. The next thing is literally so cool. So I saw this in Tilly's, I think over the summer, and it is so cute. So it's a film camera, but you can bring it underwater. So it's definitely like waterproof, like you can just like go into the beach and like take pictures underwater. So I think that is so cute. I'm definitely using this over the summer. And then the brand is LMNT. So I just think this is so cute. I love having a film camera. I had one over the past summer and I just used it like constantly. I have so many cute pictures from there and I just love having like an actual photo that you can hold. So I'm so excited. That made me so happy. And then this is so funny, but I asked my mom for this like a while back and it is so cute. It says The Little Book of Sloth Philosophy. This is just the cutest book ever. Just like the artwork. So just like the first page and it just has like a little sloth. That is so cute. But I think it's basically supposed to be like just calm yourself and take things at a slow pace. I'm definitely like putting it on my bedside table because it is just so cute. Literally, sloths might be my favorite animal. Sorry, bear. So I got this, and then I'm really into like hair care because my hair is just so much to handle and to take care of. So my mom got me a bamboo hairbrush that was from Ulta. I've always wanted a bamboo hairbrush because I heard that it's supposed to be a lot better for your hair. So I think this is so cute. And then the next thing that I got, sorry, I just like threw that over my head and was like, the next thing. Anyways, the next thing that I got was this Glossier coconutbalm.com. I am so excited. As you guys probably know, I am just obsessed with Glossier. Literally one of my favorite makeup brands ever. So cute. And this is the first this is the first balm.com that I've ever owned. It literally is amazing. I put it on Christmas and it smells so great. It's just the best lip gloss in the world. And then in my stocking from Santa, I got a couple things. So I will show you guys everything I got. The first thing was another film camera, but I am so cool because I've never had a Fujifilm. Replay that. But I am so cool. I don't know why I just said I'm so cool. I meant to say this is so cool, so just ignore that. But I am so cool because I've never had a Fujifilm disposable camera. I've only had the Kodak ones. So this is really exciting. I got a Bliss makeup melt, some scrunchies, makeup removing wipes. I definitely needed these. And then I have a rose quartz. Me and my sister have been like obsessed with crystals recently, and I've just been really wanting a rose quartz because I think it looks so cute just to have like on your bedside table. This is actually my sister's because I don't know where mine is right now, but hers is like a cool square shape, which I think is really cute. So I'm so excited about that. So that is everything that I got in my stocking. And then over here, oh wait, yeah, sorry, this is so random, but my parents decided to also get me a lint roller, like a travel size lint roller, because I feel like me and my sister are always like, where's the lint roller? Because we only have like one in our house. It's like the weirdest thing. From my aunt, I got a couple more things from Glossier. I got another coconutbalm.com. I feel like I just couldn't stop talking about these to people. So I got a coconutbalm.com and it is so cute. I'll show you guys what the little bottle looks like. It's like peach colored, peach cap. Oh my gosh, just so pretty. She got me the Glossier Perfecting Skin Tint in the shade G10. So I think this was the closest one that matched my skin tone. It's supposed to be like kind of like a tinted moisturizer, which is really cool because I don't like to wear too much makeup. So I asked her for those two things, and then this next thing I was totally not expecting. She just like put it in there and I almost freaked out when I saw this. It says Pandora. Like, I was just like, what? So I opened it and they're the cutest earrings ever. They're like little infinities. That made me so excited because for some reason my ears like react bad when I put like a cheaper earring in there. So I honestly only have like one pair of earrings and it's these. So I'm so excited because I know that Pandora is a good brand. So that means that my ears will not react to it and I can wear those infinity earrings. I am so excited. And then my other aunt got me a Brandy Melville gift card. I cannot wait to go shopping. As you guys know, I am totally obsessed with Brandy Melville. So that was literally the perfect gift. And then she also surprised us with this, which is a couple little hair clips. And she got my style like perfectly correct. Like, this is totally something I would pick out myself. This was just so unexpected. I literally freaked out when I opened it. One of my favorites is this heart clip because I can just see it like just wearing it right there. And then another one of my favorites is this one that has like 2 rows of pearls. I just love this. This set is so adorable. And if you are wondering, these clips are from BP, which they sell at Nordstrom. So yeah, if you are interested in getting these, they will be from Nordstrom. So those were all the gifts that I got from my family and friends, and I'm also going to be showing you guys some stuff that was sent to me by Petite and Pretty, one of my favorite makeup brands. They sent me their whole Everglow collection, which is so cute. I'm just going to show you guys some of my favorites. So this is their Glow Spell Lip Shines. So pretty. This adorable fluffy makeup bag. Their glitter duo, which is so pretty. And then the Everglow Cheek and Eye Palette. Oh my gosh, I'm literally in love. My favorite color is this one, which is Frostbite, and then this one is Oh Holo Night, like holographic, which I think is so cute. Literally all their names. And then the packaging, oh my gosh, it says Everglow. Oh my gosh, I can't even speak. This is so cute. A brush set, and then they also sent me this Everglow crew neck. It's like so cute. It's tie-dye, has yellow, pink, blue, just so pretty. Oh my gosh, I have been wearing this, I'm not kidding, for like a week straight. It's so cozy, you guys. So yeah, that was just such an exciting surprise. I also want to show you guys one other thing that I got from my cousin's best friend, who literally feels like my cousin. I love her, but we both have an obsession with Bando. So she got me this for my birthday actually, but I forgot to show it in my what I got for my birthday video, but I think this is so cute. There's a little handle right here, a little pom-pom, and then like this is kind of like a suede material, and this is just so pretty. And then inside, by the pocket, it says Pink Skies Up Ahead. That is so pretty, you guys. I just love this bag. Bando is one of my favorite brands for like so many different things. So that is everything that I got. If you guys enjoyed this video, then please leave a like and subscribe down below. Let me know any other video ideas that you have and that you want to see from my channel, and I will be sure to do them. I am so grateful. Like, I had the best Christmas ever. Christmas Day was just so much fun, and I just loved it. And all of my family members who pitched in and gave me gifts, you are awesome, you are amazing, and thank you so much. This is Bear. Oh wow, that tongue, that is out so much. Bear, you're so cute. My mom and I call it his pepperoni. Like, oh my gosh, your pepperoni tongue. I can't even look at you with a straight face. You are so cute. Me and my dog both have Instagrams, so check that out. And then I also have a VSCO and a Pinterest and a Depop and a bunch of other things. So go check it out down below. They will all be linked. Keep smiling, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! Okay, I did it. I did. Are you comfortable yet? Okay, I think that's good. I think you should just sit down. I think you're comfortable. Yeah, I think you're good. Now the sneeze. It's so cute. Just gotta push these things out of the way. Still, okay. Does my hair look good? Bear, does my hair look good? Do you approve of my hair? Does it look good? So today's video, it is a couple days after Christmas. Bear, get off the gifts! Like, I've heard that rose quartz is like a really good, No, that sounds like, no, that does not sound right. Okay. I can't do that. That's so funny. Okay.